Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to today's presentation. Let me introduce myself. My name is Andi Majalani, NRV 11521000044. Study program Informatik Engineering. My campus, Institut Teknologi Indonesia. In this presentation, I will discuss about robotics. First, I will explain about understanding robot. Next, what is a robot? In this picture, this Iron Man robot film Marvel. The robot is defined as an automaton which is an intelligent mechanical device according to the Robotics Industry Association 1985. A robot is defined as a programmable, multifunctional manipulator designed to move material parts, tools, or specialized device for the performance of various tasks. Robots are also defined as mechanisms that are able to extract information from their environment and use knowledge about their world to actively in meaningful and purposeful. Ron Arkin, 1998. Next, then about Rolls robot. Rules robot. 1. Robots must not injure human. 2. Robots must follow human order unless contrary to rule number 1. 3. Robots must maintain their existence unless contrary to rule number 1 and number 2. Next, then the purpose of robots created. The purpose of robots created: 1. To increase production through automation in industry. To create a high performance workforce that can work 24 hours. To carry out work that requires high accuracy. To replace humans in jobs that are always repetitive. 2. As a tool for humans to carry out scientific experiments outside space. 3. To be able to work in space that are dangerous to humans, radioactive areas, areas with high air and water pressure, close to hazardous decimal UTC. 4. As entertainment media for humans. 5. As hobby distributor. Next, then types of robot. 1. Mobile robots. The meaning of mobile here is that the robot can move from place to place. Mobile robots are also often identified with robots that walk using wheels. Please look at the picture. This is a mobile robot and have wheels, then battery and machine. 2. Manipulator robots. As the name implies, this robot is a robot whose shape manipulates or imitates that shape of living things, but what is imitated does not need to be all part of the body of a living creature. Only part of it is needed. Take his hand, for example. Please look at the picture. This is a manipulator robots as hand robot, human robots. Then human robots are shaped like humans, meaning they have a head, two hands, a body, two legs, and so on. Can walk like a human, can dance, and all the usual things humans do. In the picture, an human robot have two hands, head, and body. Next, Android robots. Android robot is similar to humanoid, but there is difference, namely, is hand skin and unable to express like human. Please look at the picture. This an humanoid Android robot and humanoid robot have head and two hand and two body and so on. Next, humanoid robot. These robots start from the shape and behavior of imitating animals. For example, an humanoid robot in the form of a puppy not only looks like a dog, but its behavior and habits are also programmed like a puppy. This is a picture an animated robot and a puppy. Next, wheeled robot. Robots that walk or move using wheels. The wheels range from 2 to 4 to the use of an omni wheels, which can make the robot move in all directions. This picture in wheeled robot have two wheeled and two hand, head, body. Next, robot with legs. This robot is actually like an insect that has many legs, starting from the two legs that is biped to the eighth leg that is hexaped, and there may be many more. Please look at the picture and robot with legs. Robot spider have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 legs. Next, flying robot. Robot fly is a robot that can fly either using a propeller like a quadcopter or using wings like a bird. In this picture, and flying robot drone have camera. Then the last, underwater robots. Underwater robots are designed to be able to move and swim in the water without damaging the component inside the robot. This is picture in underwater robot, fish robot, because robots the water. Then I will explain about robots' advantages and disadvantages. Advantages of robots: 1. Each human work. 2. Save time. 3. Not work monotonously. 4. Robots have no boredom, tiredness, emotion. 5. Robots are easy and fast to repair. 6. Robots can be made as big and like anything. 7. Robots in the industry are essential workers. Next. Disadvantages of robot. 1. Requires a very large initial cost. 2. Reduce job opportunities, resulting in unemployment. 3. Human power is no longer needed because it has been replaced by robot. 4. Cultivate the lazy nature of humans because everything has been handled by robots. The last summary. Point 1. The robot is defined as an automaton, which is an intelligent mechanical device. Point 2. Rules: robot must not injure humans, must follow human order, and must maintain their existence. Point 3. The purpose of robots created to increase production through automation in industry, as a tool for humans to carry out scientific experiments outside space, be able to work in places that are dangerous to humans, as entertainment media, fix human, and as hobby distributor. Point 4. Types of robot is mobile robot, manipulator robot, humanoid robot, android robots, animaloid robots, wheeled robot, robots with legs, flying robots, and underwater robots. Point 5. Advantages of robots is human work, save time, do not work monotonously, have no boredom, treatness, emotion, easy and fast to repair, can be made as big and like anything, and robots in the industry are essential workers. The last point. Disadvantages of robots: requires very large initial cost, reduced job opportunities, resulting in unemployment. Human power is no longer needed because it has been replaced by robots, and cultivates the lazy nature of humans because everything has been handled by robots. Next. Hi friends. I make presentation with 3 point Google, classrobot.com, classrobot, sama techno.com. Next. Thanks you all for your attention. Sorry if there is an error in delivering the presentation. See you, bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.